Hi guys! Ngayon ay gagawa tayo ng chicken embutido. In a bowl, ilagay ang 1 kg ground chicken, 1 piece minced carrots, 1 piece minced red bell pepper, 2 pieces minced onion, 5 pieces minced garlic, half cup raisin, half cup sweetened pickled relish, 1 cup grated cheese, 2 pieces whole eggs, half teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoon oyster sauce, half cup evaporated milk. At haluin ito na mabuti. Then lagyan ito ng half cup breadcrumbs. This is optional. 1 can sliced sausage. Use 1 cup for measuring a standard size, and for pambaon, use half cup. Grease the aluminum foil with margarine or butter or any oil you have. Steam the embutido for 45 minutes to 1 hour and let it cool. Put lightly an oil on a frying pan and fry the cooked chicken embutido. Yung medyo magba-brown lang ang outer layer ng embutido. Dito guys, nagluto ako ng 1 cup at 1/2 cup para makita natin ang size difference. And now for the taste test. Put a tomato ketchup or banana ketchup on the side. Sarap! So eat well and enjoy with family and friends. Happy tummy!